Hi everyone. Welcome to today's session, where we'll dive into a key concept in the Spring framework, dependency injection. If you've ever wondered what it is, why it's important, and how it works, this video is for you. Let's get started. What is dependency injection? Dependency injection, or DI, is a design pattern used in the Spring framework to manage object dependencies. It's all about making your code more modular, testable, and maintainable. Instead of an object creating its dependencies, the framework provides them at runtime. Think of it like this: imagine a car that needs an engine to function. Instead of the car building its own engine, it gets one delivered from a factory. That's dependency injection in action. Why is dependency injection important? Here are some reasons why dependency injection is a game changer. Loose coupling. Classes don't need to know how their dependencies are created, making the system more flexible. Improved testability. You can easily mock dependencies for unit testing. Code reusability. Dependencies can be reused across multiple classes. Simplified maintenance. Changes to dependencies don't require changes to the dependent classes. How does dependency injection work in Spring? In Spring, dependency injection is achieved through the Spring IOC, inversion of control, container. The IOC container manages the lifecycle of objects and their dependencies. It supports two main types of dependency injection: constructor injection. Dependencies are provided through the class constructor. Setter injection. Dependencies are set using setter methods. Here's an example. In this example, Spring automatically provides the engine dependency when creating the car object. Common misconceptions. Now, let's clear up a common misconception. Dependency injection is often confused with inversion of control, IOC. While they are related, IOC is a broader principle where the control of object creation is transferred to a container, and dependency injection is one way to achieve IOC. Here's how dependency injection helps in the real world. In large enterprise applications, it simplifies managing complex dependencies. It makes your application scalable and easier to refactor. And it ensures your code adheres to the solid principles, especially the dependency inversion principle. Dependency injection is a foundational concept in Spring and modern software development. By using DI, you can write cleaner, more modular, and testable code. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights. And as always, feel free to leave your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.